Good day, my name's Ursula Janke and I'm going to show you how to do some mixed media with mosaics and some painting today. The technique that we're going to do is a little bit of mixed media. So what we are going to be doing, we are actually going to be able to make this palette over here. We call it a Beauty in the Vase kit, and these are available at your nearest PNAs. Right, so first thing that we do is we start with a board like this. What we do is we take a paintbrush and you take your base color and you end up with a base like that. Once your board is dry, what you're going to do then is you're going to take your vase and you place your vase wherever you would like. So if you would want it on the side or in the middle or wherever. So once you've done that, you've got a little palette of colors over here. So what you're going to do is, what I do like to do is I like to give it a little bit of mixture, a little bit of texture, and you're just going to do some painting. Little stalks coming out of your vase. So as you do this, you just play around. You can actually take your vase away because you know that the little things come into, the stems come in over here. So you play around. You can make pretty little flowers. And basically what you do is you just carry on doing all the little pretty leaves and things. Right, once you've completed your foliage at the back there, taking note that there's quite a lot coming through the back over there, you are then welcome to let it dry a little bit. Once it's dry, you can start taking your little half cup that we've already specially made for you in half. You then glue it, and you just glue it down. This is a normal wood glue that you use. And we use this behind the little flowers too. Make some nice amount of glue would be good. Yeah, and you put it on here. So then you start arranging your little flowers. As you do this, you complete your little picture. I normally take my little leaves and I put them over here. Bearing in mind you're actually arranging your flowers in a vase of putting the glue down. Make sure you've got enough to make it stick down. You don't want it falling off. And this is how we carry on until such time as we have completed our Beauty in the Vase. Take this and you put your little dots over here. And this is your little step-by-step process of your Beauty in the Vase. Okay, so then what you do is you complete your picture with your Beauty in your Vase. You let it dry, and then you're more than welcome to do some more textures, things that you need. What we can do is we stencil behind it. Then we do the painting of the little stalks and the leaves. So what's very nice about this product is the fact that you can take different little flowers, you can add them to your vases, and you can play with different inserts and things like that. So it's your creation of your vase of beautiful flowers. So that's me from the Clay Club. Thank you very much.